Hello there, friend. Welcome to Start Early Today. The colors of nature. Nature's colors are not random. They serve a greater purpose. Some colors absorb light more efficiently. Some colors invite pollinators. Some colors help a species blend into their environment for safety. Other colors act as warnings. Today, plan a stroll through your neighborhood, and during that walk, keep your awareness on the present moment, tuning into your surroundings in as much detail as possible. What colors can you find in nature? Consider how each color's vibrations affect you. What colors make you feel calm? What colors make you feel energized? Take a deep inhale and exhale. May you have a beautiful walk and take the time, or step it up a notch, make a commitment to see the magic and the beauty of nature around you. Each and everything is bursting with life and miracle. Just how the trees grow and how the rocks are sturdy and the vibrant colors it emits. You are part of that. Take into consideration that you are eternal, immortal, universal, and infinite. Get out of your persona for a while. Melt that barrier between your small self and your higher self. In each and every breath, affirm that you are part of all things. Each and every person, that is you. Each and everything you see around you, it is you. It is all one. Namaste.